Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about 5 common habits and lifestyle choices that are bad for your health. Some of these might surprise you. Let's get started. Number 1, smoking. Let's start with the most well-known one. Smoking is one of the most dangerous things you can do to your body. Every cigarette contains thousands of chemicals, and many of them cause cancer. Smoking damages your lungs, your heart, and your blood vessels. It increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and many other serious conditions. And it is not only the person smoking who is affected. Breathing in secondhand smoke, the smoke from someone else's cigarette, is also very harmful. Children who grow up in homes where people smoke have higher rates of asthma and respiratory infections. Quitting smoking is difficult because nicotine is very addictive, but quitting at any age improves your health. Just 20 minutes after stopping smoking, your heart rate begins to drop. Within a year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half. Number 2, eating a poor diet. Eating too much processed food, sugar, and saturated fat is one of the leading causes of poor health worldwide. A bad diet contributes to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Many people know that eating junk food is not good for them, but they continue doing it because processed food is cheap, convenient, and engineered to be delicious. Avoiding sugary drinks is one of the most impactful changes a person can make. A single can of soda can contain more than 30 grams of sugar, more than the recommended daily amount. Eating well does not mean eating nothing enjoyable. It means increasing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, and reducing, not necessarily eliminating, processed foods and sugar. Number 3, not getting enough sleep. Most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night. However, many people regularly get far less than this. Not sleeping enough has serious consequences for your health. In the short term, lacking sleep affects your concentration, your mood, and your reaction time. Driving while sleep deprived is as dangerous as driving drunk. In the long term, chronic sleep deprivation is linked to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and depression. Many people say they are used to sleeping only 5 or 6 hours, but research shows that the body does not truly adapt. It simply stops noticing how impaired it is. Number 4, too much stress. Stress is a natural response to difficult situations. In small amounts, it can even be helpful. It motivates us and keeps us alert. But chronic stress that continues for a long time without relief, is very damaging to the body. When you are stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. In the short term, cortisol helps you respond to danger. But having high cortisol levels for a long time damages the immune system, raises blood pressure, and increases the risk of heart disease. Stress is also closely linked to anxiety, depression, and insomnia. We will talk more about stress in our next unit. For now, remember, finding ways to manage stress, whether through exercise, social connection, or relaxation, is not a luxury. It is a health necessity. This connects us perfectly to our next point. Number 5, sitting too much. This one surprises many people. Even if you exercise regularly, sitting for long periods of time every day is independently bad for your health. Research has found that sitting for more than 8 hours a day increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and early death, even in people who go to the gym. When you sit for a long time, your metabolism slows down, your blood circulation decreases, and the muscles in your legs and back begin to weaken. The solution is not just to exercise more, it is to break up long periods of sitting. Standing up, stretching, or walking for just 2 to 5 minutes every hour makes a significant difference. So, to summarize, 5 things that are bad for your health: smoking, eating a poor diet, not sleeping enough, chronic stress, and sitting too much. The good news? All five of these are things you can change, and making even small improvements in each area can have a big impact on your health and your life. Thank you. Next, we will talk about the benefits of exercise.